Today is an exciting day because we're ditching our old feeder and we're upgrading to a brand new feeding system by Run Chicken. It is fully automated, and today I'm going to do a full review of what we love about this new feeder and why we're switching over from our DIY version. But first, let's talk a little bit about this DIY version. It's really easy, and if you're looking for a low budget way to feed your chicken, then this can be a really great system. Basically, we just took a nice Home Depot bucket, we drilled in some holes, and we made our own system so that the feed could come out of the holes and go into the barrel. It has a nice lid on it, but what we didn't like about this system is it can be really heavy to lift and put into the coop that we have built today. Also, at the top was collecting a lot of poop. So our chickens were actually roosting on top of here, and they were getting feces on top of the top and inside of the feed. So the system just isn't clean, and it wasn't keeping up with our new coop and what we want for our chickens. As we're upgrading our coop, we wanted to make a lot of systems that would be automated, easy, and keep it clean so that our chickens are cleaner, happier, and especially with a lot of the bird flu going around, we wanted to make sure that other animals weren't going to get into here and we weren't going to get a lot of pests, and that's exactly why we love the Run Chicken feeders. So let's go talk about how we've installed. Let's talk a little bit about this install. So we ended up installing it right on the doors of our exterior run, right down here, and we actually got 2 of them because we do have more chickens, so we want to make sure that this process is a lot more automated, and this is going to be amazingly automated. It is a really lightweight piece, so it's built out of aluminum, super lightweight, easy to mount wherever you want. We ended up just staining some wood so that it's going to be weatherproofed and just mounting it on the back of this wooden piece here on our cages that we have. We have Puritan Pride's cages on the outside for our run. Now, you do want to make sure that it's mounted in a non-humid area and something that is covered, so we will be covering this. This is just a little bit of temporary work as we're finishing out our outdoor run, but it is going to be a lot nicer, so don't worry. Now, these feeders are really smart. First off, they are pest proof. So they're going to open and close dependent on the sunlight. So they can either be powered to just open 20 minutes after the sun rises and close 20 minutes after the sun sets, and it will just close right here. Or you can actually use their app that they have, which also is the same app that you can use for your doors if you have the automated Run Chicken doors, which we do, and they're a great product as well. But you can set it up so that it will open and close on what you want as well, which is really, really great. These hold around 11 pounds of feed each. We have 2 of them, so we have around 22 pounds of feed, and everything is nice, dry, and contained inside of here, which is really, really nice. It makes it easy to fill when we need. When you are mounting it, you want to make sure that you're around 4 inches up from the ground and you're in a non-humid, dry area. We are going to be covering this section of our run. So right now it is not covered, but it will be covered shortly, and that will help. You can also add these inside of your coop, which we've seen a lot of people do as well. But how is this smart feeder run? It's actually run just on AA batteries, and they suggest replacing them on a yearly basis. So it's not even something that you have to worry too much about. We just installed them, so I don't know what the battery life is going to look like, but I know that the doors function pretty similarly, the automatic chicken doors, and we've rarely needed to replace their batteries. You might just want to replace it on a yearly basis just because of weather and any humidity that it could have gotten in there, and it could affect the battery. Overall, I'm really happy with the sleek design of these new feeders. I think they look really great. We're really sprucing up our coop, so having a nice sleek look is going to be amazing. And there's nothing against the old DIY ones that we had. We just wanted a few upgrades, and this is something that I think is going to be a great improvement. We're really happy about, and I'll update you more once we learn more about our product, but I'll definitely make sure to link down below. And I hope this was helpful. If you're on the fence about getting one or not, add your comments down below, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.